Hey kids, Jai Swaminarayan, good morning. Take out your book number 6, page number 28. Write down today's date, 3rd December 20. Our today's topic is heart shape. This is a heart shape. Color the heart shape in the given things. There are 4 different pictures having heart shape. See. First pic of a box. It is like a lunch box. Second pic of a cushion. We use cushion on sofas. Now see. Third pic is yummy cake. We all like to eat, right? Move on the fourth pic. See. Last pic is of the balloon. It's very nice. See. We play with it. Right? Okay kids. Now you have to color on this first pic of box, second pic of cushion, third pic of cake and fourth pic of balloon. Thank you. Bye bye. Now we come on the next page. Page number 29. Write down same date, 3rd December 20. Find the hearts and color them red to help the rabbit reach his favorite food, carrot. You know, the rabbit loves carrot. So, now help our rabbit to reach his favorite food by coloring red in all the heart shape on this page.
Things we use in summer. Say the names of some things we like to eat or drink in summer. So kids, what do you like to eat during summer season? Yes, ice cream. It's favorite of all, right? Then watermelon. Melon. You can say muskmelon too. Coconut water. Mango. Juice. Right? So keep in mind all these names which we use during the summer. Say the names of some things we like to wear in summer. We like to swim in the swimming pool. So if you want to go in the swimming pool, you have to use swimsuit. So we use swimsuit during summer. Then shirt, skirt. We don't wear jeans because it is very irritating. In summer, it's not good to wear jeans. It's not comfortable. So we use skirt, t-shirt, frock, shorts, sunglasses and slippers. Right? Say the names of some things we like to use in summer. And we use fan. See, during summer, we can't live for 2 minutes without fan. Right? And if we have air cooler or air conditioner, so we use these things during summer season. And see, swimming pool too. We enjoy to be in the water during summer season, right? Okay, now we will see a small exercise on the next page. tick the things we like to do in summer. We like to swim in the water during summer, so we will tick this. Then we like to eat juicy fruits, and this one is watermelon, so we like to eat watermelon. Rain. Can we see rain during summer season? No. Then mango. Yes, we enjoy to eat mango during the summer season. Yes, we enjoy ice cream too. Kids, do you love to eat ice cream? Yes, me too. Hey, do we use bonfire during summer season? No, we feel very hot, so we don't use this bonfire. Now see on the next page. Move in circles and connect all the things we use on a hot sunny day. So we use all these things on a hot sunny day, so we have to connect them by drawing a line. See, in this way: juice, coconut water, watermelon, mango, ice cream, ice cubes, fan, air cooler, swimsuit, sunglass. See, we can use umbrellas to protect ourselves from sun rays. So we use umbrellas in summer and rainy season too. So umbrella, t-shirt, shower, and ball in swimming pool. Okay, now see, circle the things you like to have on a hot day to keep yourself cool. Juice, coconut water, and cold water. We don't like to drink hot tea, coffee, or soups during summer. So please, kids, complete these pages. Hey kids, see in book number 6 on page number 46. Today we will learn about types of days. Okay, but before that we will write the date, and it is 3rd December 20. We see different types of days. Let's know about them. See, sunny day, cloudy day, rainy day, and cold day. So we'll start with sunny day. See, sunny day we can see during summer season. Sunny day means it's very hot day, and because of heat we sweat a lot. Cloudy day, okay, this we can see during rainy season. We can see many black clouds in the sky during rainy season. See, it's not raining, so it is not a rainy day, it's only cloudy day. Now, see, rainy day. On a rainy day, we can see rains and see the puddles. The kids are enjoying in the puddle. Okay, we can see frogs too. And we use umbrella on a rainy day. Okay, now see cold day. See, during the winter season we can see a cold day and ice everywhere, especially in the hill stations. And we use woolen clothes. We will see that briefly in our next pages. Okay, so come on, turn the page. See, first we will learn about summer season. In summer, the days are sunny and very hot. We sweat a lot in summer, right? See, summer heat. Listen to the rhyme and repeat it. Talk about the pictures. See, we can see a picture here. There is a boy eating ice cream. Now see, he wants to go to farm to work, but because of too hot he is not able to, and he is requesting to Sun, "Dear Mr. Sun, it's too hot today. Why don't you just go away. Again, dear Mr. Sun, it's too hot today. Why don't you just go away? My ice cream is melting. My water is warm. I have to go to work at the farm. My ice cream is melting. My water is warm. I have to go to work at the farm. So, you also repeat this poem and learn it. Now, see you on the next page.